In the heart of Islamic rituals lies the sacred act of Tawaf, where millions of pilgrims circumambulate the Kaaba, a symbol of unity and devotion. This practice is not just a physical journey, it embodies a deep spiritual connection to the divine. Understanding the cosmic alignment of Tawaf enhances this experience, as the Kaaba is believed to be positioned at the center of the Earth's gravitational pull, aligning with celestial bodies. This alignment signifies a divine design, inviting believers to reflect on their place in the universe. The Hajj pilgrimage, rich in historical significance, serves as a reminder of faith, sacrifice, and community. By exploring these elements, we can appreciate the profound spiritual journey that Tawaf and Hajj represent in the lives of millions around the world. The Kaaba, a cube-shaped structure located in the heart of the Masjid al-Haram in Mecca, stands as a monumental symbol of Islamic faith. Its black silk covering, known as the kiswa, and the sacred black stone embedded in its corner add to its physical allure and historical significance. Believed to have been built by the Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail, the Kaaba has been a focal point of worship for centuries. As the Qibla, it directs the prayers of millions of Muslims worldwide, fostering a sense of unity and collective identity. This sacred site transcends cultural boundaries, reminding believers of their shared faith and purpose. The Kaaba not only represents a physical destination, but also embodies the spiritual connection that unites Muslims across the globe. Tawaf is a central ritual during Hajj, where pilgrims circle the Kaaba 7 times in a counterclockwise direction. This act begins at the Black Stone, where pilgrims often touch or kiss the stone as a sign of reverence. Each circuit represents a journey of devotion, with participants reciting prayers and seeking closeness to Allah. The spiritual significance of circling the Kaaba lies in its symbolism of unity and submission, as believers align themselves with the divine will. The act of Tawaf also resonates with the concept of cosmic alignment, as the Kaaba is believed to be at the center of the Earth's gravitational pull. This connection enhances the spiritual experience, reminding pilgrims of their place in the universe and their bond with fellow Muslims, transcending time and space. Cosmic alignment is a profound concept in Islamic teachings, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all creation. In the context of Tawaf, this alignment becomes particularly significant as pilgrims circle the Kaaba, believed to be at the center of the Earth's spiritual energy. This ritual symbolizes harmony with the universe, as each rotation reflects a commitment to align oneself with divine will. By participating in Tawaf, Muslims engage in a physical manifestation of their spiritual journey, reinforcing their connection to Allah and the cosmos. The spiritual benefits of this alignment are immense. It fosters a sense of peace, unity, and purpose. As pilgrims embrace the divine design during Tawaf, they not only seek forgiveness and blessings, but also cultivate a deeper understanding of their place within the vast tapestry of existence. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our understanding of Hajj rituals by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns that enhance the pilgrimage experience. AI can process information related to crowd dynamics, helping authorities manage the influx of millions of pilgrims more effectively, ensuring safety and accessibility. Additionally, technology can provide personalized guidance through mobile applications, offering real-time updates on prayer times, locations, and rituals, making the experience smoother for participants. Examples of AI applications in religious studies include sentiment analysis of social media posts from pilgrims, which helps researchers understand the emotional and spiritual impacts of Hajj. By integrating AI into the pilgrimage, we not only improve logistical aspects, but also deepen our comprehension of the rituals, fostering a more meaningful connection to this sacred journey. Conclusion. In summary, Tawaf and the Kaaba hold immense significance in Islamic faith, serving as powerful symbols of unity, devotion, and spiritual connection. The act of circling the Kaaba not only embodies the physical journey of pilgrims, but also reflects a deeper understanding of cosmic alignment, reminding us of our place in the universe. By exploring these concepts, we can appreciate the rich spiritual heritage of Hajj and its impact on millions of believers worldwide. If you found this discussion insightful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on spirituality and religious practices. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, let's continue to explore the profound connections between faith, rituals, and the cosmos.